are the instructions for the Transformers 3D jigsaw puzzle set made by Warren. So it says how to make car. Assemble all car parts from the puzzle pieces. Carefully fold parts on score lines, figure 1. Put tabs of robot body into slots of front quarter panel and rear quarter panel, figure 2. Put rear tabs of rear quarter panel into slots of rear bumper. Put upper tab of rear quarter panel into slot of roof. Put tabs of hood into slots of windshield. Put tabs of front quarter panel into slots of front bumper, figure 3. Okay, down here, how to make robot. Take car completely apart. Assemble all robot parts from the puzzle pieces. Attach rear quarter panel to robot's upright torso at the feet. Put tabs of rear quarter panels into slots of rear bumper to complete the feet and legs, figure 1. Attach front quarter panel to robot's torso. Slip robot's head through the long slot in the hood and put tabs of front quarter panel through slots of front bumper, figure 2. Turn the car's roof and door piece so that the door and its door end is pointing up. Slide the bottom of the roof into the 2 slots at the back of the rear quarter panels. Put tabs of hood into slots of windshield to give the robot wings. Attach the arms to the shoulder tabs that are sticking through the quarter panels. Attach the 2 remaining guns to the slots inside the robot's head, figure 3.